Well, unionized workers at Kaleida Health are planning to walk the pavement next week. They're demanding better pay and better staffing.
Their contract with Kaleida expired at the end of July. News 4's Sarah Minkowitz is here in the studio right now with the latest on where the negotiations stand. Sarah?
Don and Jackie, workers are planning to picket next Thursday in the downtown medical campus. Now, both sides say progress has been made, but they still have not been able to agree on staffing and wages.
This is certainly a right of theirs as part of contract negotiations, and it's often a normal part of the collective bargaining process. So we're disappointed, sure, but this is absolutely in the right to do that.
CWA and 1199 SEIU have been negotiating a new contract with Kaleida Health for the last 5 months.
So talks remain cordial and productive. We are joint problem solving. There's an awful lot to tackle with this contract.
The previous contract expired at the end of July after multiple extensions. The new contract would be for 6,300 healthcare workers at facilities including Buffalo General, Oishei Children's Hospital, Millard Fillmore Suburban, and DeGraff.
We are optimistic that we'll get to an agreement that is productive for both the union side as well as management. You know, our goal is to invest into our workforce as well as, put together a contract that attracts and retains the future workforce of Kaleida Health as well.
News 4 spoke to union reps last week when they moved talks at the bargaining table to 5 days a week.
We are at a phase in negotiations now where we're talking about probably the most critical issues, which are the staffing ratios and what we'd like to see in the facilities, and then the economic package that will help us recruit and retain staff within the Kaleida Health system.
It's a process in motion, and again, hopefully we could wrap it up in the next few weeks.
In a statement on the call to picket next week, union leaders said, "We are doing everything we can to reach a fair settlement, but workers are upset with Kaleida's economic proposals, and they have the right to make their concerns public." Now, union leaders have complained about short staffing and say Kaleida has a lot of hiring to do. They have to fill more than 400 jobs because of the state's new staffing law, and that's on top of more than 800 vacancies. In the studio, Sarah Minkowitz, News 4.